Hello guys, why my background is dark and is black? Let me change it. Oh, I cannot change it because of ease of access error. So what should I do? In this video we are going to fix this ease of access problem. So at first of all, for teaching you, I just search this error on the Google and find the Microsoft blog, and I read it and do this process and do these things from this, for example, answer. At first we have to, this is a access error. At first we have to click on the logo icon, then go to the setting. Okay, then we have to click on the ease of access button, then we click it on the display part, not the other tabs, the display, and we go at the end of that and enable this feature. This is the error that we have to just turn it on. After this and we turn this on, you can see all of the things fixed, and we can see the background, and by clicking on the personalized we can change the background and, for example, put our photo and our things on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. I hope you like this type of videos. See you on the next video.